students, I am K.Hemalatha from G.k.Jain school, science teacher. Today I am going to take a class for a 5th standard and the topic is natural phenomena. Natural phenomena, consider as earth. Our earth is a beautiful and wonderful thing. It is made up of air, water and land. These three things joined together, earth will be formed. In the earth, only 3/4 of earth is covered by the water and 1/4 is land. Our earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. The earth is very far away from the sun. Here the sun is the center. With the center, all the planets evolve around the sun. So in this topic, I am going to teach movements of the earth. The movement of the earth causes natural phenomena on the earth. Which one causes the natural phenomena? The movement of the earth only causes the natural phenomena. I told earth rotates. Earth rotates means what will happening? Some movements will be formed. If the movements is formed by the drawing the lines and show you. This is considered as a earth. An imaginary line. This is an imaginary line joined from here. The earth consists as a 2 or 4 directions. North, south, east, west. You all know the 4 directions. The below part is called as a south. The upper part of the earth is called as a north. So these two lines are joined. So this upper part is called as a northern pole. The lower part is called as a southern pole. The center of the earth, the equator line is passed. The equator line divide the earth into 2 hemispheres. Which one is dividing the earth into 2? Equator line. The equator line only divide the earth into 2 spheres. The upper part is called as a northern hemisphere and the lower part is called as a southern hemisphere. So this is southern side, no? So its value is called as a southern hemisphere. The north side means it is called as a northern hemisphere. There are 2 hemispheres. What are they? Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, which divides the earth into 2 equator. And the 2 poles I told. What are the 2 poles? North pole and south pole. These 2 poles are joined by the imaginary line is called as a axis. Understand that? Now I am going to teach about how the rotation and evolution is causes. The northern pole and southern pole is connected by the line is called as a axis. The earth has the 2 main momentum. One is a rotation and another one is a evolution. These 2 movements only causes the day and night and the seasons. Rotation. Rotate your pole, rotate, all say no. That is known as rotations. The movement of the earth on its axis. Axis is called rotation. Suppose take this is a earth. The axis line is here. So, okay. If to rotate like this, okay. This is called as a rotation. The earth rotates from east to west. This is a north and south. The earth is like this. Okay. So north and south, that side will never rotate. It rotates like this. So east to west. The earth rotates from east to west. And it complete to rotate in 24 hours. It takes a rotation in 24 hours to finish it. This movement causes day and night. Okay. The rotate of the earth causes day and night. Understand that? What is rotation? The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. What the rotation causes? Yes, the rotation causes day and night. So what a complete means? What one complete rotation in 24 hours. So day and night causes I told. As the earth rotates only one half of facing the sun at the given time. If this is the earth, this is sun. Sun is the center. The earth rotates like this. If the sun rays falls on the earth side, no, it also rotating like this. If the rays will be falls in the earth. One half will be a bright. The next side of the earth will be dark. So that phase will form a night time. Where sun rays forms this side, no, that facing part will be a daytime. Understand how the day and night is causes. Again earth will rotate, no, this part will come that side, that will come the same. So day and night you conscious. For your friends or relatives in America, so many foreign countries, no, if you make a call, they will say this is a daytime, but ourselves will be a night. This is caused by the rotation of the earth. So okay, now we pass on to evolution. Evolution means while the earth rotates on its axis, it also goes around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. The movement of the earth around the sun is called as a evolution. The earth also rotates itself and moves around the sun. This is sun and it moves around this axis. That is called as a evolutions. The earth takes 365 days or 1 year to complete one evolution. The evolution causes seasons. What are the seasons are there? Summer, rainy, winter, and spring season. So many seasons will be caused due to the evolutions of the earth. Understand, students? Okay, thank you.